request from Anunnaki, and then nagre-request siya that we cook Bicol Express. Kaya nandito ako sa likod kasi ang daming mga pampaanghang dyan.
So guys, si Marie takot siya sa maanghang. So she doesn't eat spicy food. We have 3 kinds of hot peppers here. Actually, 2 lang. And then, kaya siya nag-hide. It's kind of strong.
You can smell it. Yes.
Alright, so here are the ingredients for our Bicol Express. We're going to saute first our garlic, onion, and tomatoes.
Ayan. Lahat. 1 large tomato.
This is optional, guys. Yung tomato is optional lang siya. Kung gusto niyo ng may kamatis, then you add it. Pero kung ano naman, other Bicol Express, wala siyang tomatoes. Pero sabi nga ng mga Bicolano, palaging merong kamatis. So, whatever yung preference niyo.
So, first time ko ito matitikman doon.
Okay. So, we'll see. You guys, watch out for that. Kung titikman talaga ni Marie ang ating Bicol Express. That's a challenge for her. So, make sure.
I'm nervous. By the way, guys, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung aming
other videos,
maganda yung aming last week sinigang. Talagang tumalsik ang ang tubig.
Yeah, hindi kasali sa script yun. But, since you know, wala namang perfect pag sa pagluluto.
Oo. Ano pa ba yung mga naluto natin? Yung mga pansit, lumpia, kare-kare.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Yes, and other, you know, yung friend ko, co-worker ko actually, they tried grilled shrimp. They really love
Oh
grilled
yeah,
shrimp.
yung office mate ko rin sabi niya, it's really delicious. Thank you, Patricia, for trying it.
And Kelly from my work, thank you for trying it. Hopefully, you'll show us pictures of your grilled shrimp. And it's napakadali. It's very easy. Only like, what, 5 ingredients?
And then also for those who are leaving like positive comments, encouraging us, thank you so much because it means a lot to us.
Yes, we really appreciate all your likes and sharing our videos. Help us a lot.
Yeah.
Kamsahamnida. Alright, at this point, we can add our salt. Para kahit pa paano may lasa na yung meat natin. At saka itong meat, it's going to yung papalabasin. Ito, another word, sangkot siya na naman. Make sure sinasangkot siya natin ang ating meat. So I'm gonna add pepper, black pepper, para may lasa na yung meat. And then you don't have to put a lot of salt kasi lalagyan natin siya ng bagoong alaman. At this point, papalabasin natin yung oil ng baboy. Alright, I'm just going to mix it and let's see. So, kailangan lang talaga lumabas yung juice ng
Pork
baboy.
natin.
Pork natin, yes. Kasi may tubig pa naman siya. I'm not gonna add water for now. Kasi kailangan ko siyang parang ma-fry, mag-golden brown yung gilid, yung edge ng pork to get all that fat. So, I'm just gonna leave it. I'll cover it for maybe 10 minutes and then we'll check it out. Cover for 10 minutes and we'll let it cook. After 10 minutes, so tingnan natin kung lumalabas na ang mantika niya. Wow. Ayan, see? Hindi natin to dinagdagan ng tubig. Papalambutin lang natin mabuti ang ating baboy. Yung ating Bicol Express. Hindi pa siya Bicol Express ngayon kasi wala
pang anghang. Kaya nandito pa ako.
Yeah, kaya pa ni Marian.
Kasi cover
ulit natin. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Na-stop. Alright. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Na-stuck ang ate.
We're checking it out.
Ayan, medyo lumalabas na ang ating oil. Lagyan na natin siya ng bagoong. So, hindi ko muna siya lalahatin. Okay? So, depende yan sa gusto nyo ha. Kasi ayoko naman na, syempre ayaw natin ng sobrang alat.
Next is coconut milk.
Oo. Hinalo ko lang kasi may buo-buo siya. This is coconut milk. And then we'll add the whole
can.
Tatakuluan lang natin siya ng mga 5 minutes and then we'll add our
Coconut
pepper.
Hindi pa yung coconut cream.
Hindi pa, Marie, yung hot pepper na. Alright, let's check it out. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. Kailangan pa talaga natin pakuluin siya mabuti. So, we'll add our siling labuyo. Itong siling labuyo yung gamit namin. But you can use any hot peppers you would like. Dapat talaga maraming hot pepper. Pero since si Marie hindi siya mahilig sa maanghang, so
yeah, sabi nga nila pag Bicol Express, kailangan super spicy. So add nyo na lang. Kayo na lang mag-add.
Oo. And then I will add our serrano peppers. Guys, ano yung pinaka-spicy?
Ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper? Pinaka-manghang na pepper. While we search that, I'll tell you later.
Naluto lang yung peppers natin.
Gusto mo ba dagdagan natin?
Hindi naman.
Mamaya yan.
Pero parang walang kulay. Naiiwan ko pa dun.
Iwan. Kailangan natin yung pepper. Alright. So ngayon, tatakloban uli natin and then we will add the coconut cream. Tapos yun, pag mamantikain natin yung coconut ulit. So, tatakpan ulit natin.
Tatakpan ko na, naamoy ko na yung pepper eh.
Alright guys, talagay naman natin yung coconut cream natin. So, tingnan natin kung
mayroon ng milk, may cream pa.
Oo, tingnan muna natin yung hot itong can.
Okay. Oh, yan.
Diba?
Ang sarap
yan
talaga.
Ang kailangan natin pamantikain yung gata. Yung cream na yan.
So, we are cooking Bicol Express.
We can, it's up to you guys kung gusto niyo ng mas maraming sabaw o mas maraming, kung gusto niyo ng dry or liquidy. So, i-add niyo na lang.
Kanina, ang daming meat nito. Ang daming
Oo, diba? Nag-shrink siya.
Nag-shrink siya pala.
Ang gagawin natin, lulutuin natin yung
gata.
Hanggat maging lumabas yung oil ng gata.
Okay.
So, in a medium heat lang. Gawin ko sa medium heat and then we'll cover it again.
Cover and wait.
I'm just gonna, the rest of the salt, I'm just gonna add it and the pepper. Konting kulo pa hanggat mag-oil ang ating cream, coconut cream. Pero pwede ko nang lagay ang ating banana pepper. So, ito naman hindi naman tumaanghang. 5 more minutes and we should be done. Let's see yung oil natin. Alright, and we will plate this. So after 5 minutes, let's check it out. Kung nag-oil na. Oh wow, look at this. Ayan na yung, ito yung hinihintay ko. Ito yung what we wanted to see. So nag-oil na ang coconut cream natin. At this time, luto na to. So, I'm gonna turn off our fire. There we go. Marie and I will taste this. Alright, tignan natin. Mali kung kaya mo yung anghang. Okay. Very hot. Be careful.
Mahiinit yata. Mamaya ng 10 minutes.
No, let's try it. Ready? What do you think?
Oh, masarap siya. Ano, hindi spicy. Spicy siya pero masarap. It's really good. Spicy.
Okay, finish that.
Sana yung milk na sinasabi mo.
Agad na milk.
Pero masarap siya. Promise.
Marie's gonna finish this. Naka-ready na yung milk. So, hindi naman talaga siya maanghang.
Kulang pa actually. Joke lang.
Kulang pa lang. Okay, should I add more?
Hindi.
Meron pa? Ayaw mo. Okay.
Alis na yan.
So, eto na. Tapos na ating Bicol Express. And then we will plate this. Look at this, guys. Wow! Eto yung hinahanap natin.
Here it is. This is our Bicol Express, our version. Thank you to Anunnaki
and for Kane for suggesting this recipe. So Marie, maanghang ba?
Well, maanghang siya pero ang sarap niya. Grabe. I really liked it. Kaya ko pala. I didn't even need the milk. So, kaya. Pwede pang dagdagan actually ng mga...
Really? So, yeah. Pwedeng, dagdagan niyo yung spice, yung pepper kung gusto niyo talagang sobrang anghang. But, we didn't put a lot kasi nga, I'm worried about Marie kasi hindi siya mahilig sa maanghang. Pero ngayon,
I'm improving
niya. Mahilig na siya ngayon. So, she can tolerate the spiciness.
This will be happy and proud of me. Yes. So, guys, we also want to ask you guys if you want to purchase our merchandise like our t-shirts, our apron, bags, our Lutong Barkada merchandise.
So
please let us know, and yeah, we can send it to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
See you guys next time, and have a nice weekend.